You know, they say there's only two things in this life that are totally unavoidable: death and taxes. And taxes are something you want to think long and hard about before you buy or sell a home. It's especially important to have a great CPA or tax professional to help you walk through your plan when you are selling a home. Because there's a very high likelihood that you could be triggering a major taxable event. Now, here's the good news. If you're selling a primary home, you get an exemption on the first $250,000 of gain if you are a single person. And it's even better if there's two of you in there, because if you're a married couple, the first $500,000 of gain is now not taxable. But if you've owned your home for a long time, there's a high likelihood that you may have exceeded your exemption, and you need to know and have a plan before you sell that house how you want to deal with that taxable event that's coming, because there are some ways that you can mitigate the loss. Now, the thing with those exemptions is that they only count if it's your primary home. Say you had a home that you used to live in and you moved out of it, but you kept it as a rental and it's been an investment property for a while. Unfortunately, there is no exemption on that sale. But there is this little thing called a 1031 exchange. Rule 1031 in the tax code allows you to take an income producing property, sell it, move all of the proceeds into another property or two properties or three properties, and defer those taxes due for a long time. So you can move out of that current property, move that money into a new one that maybe is going to produce even better cash flow, or maybe it's a property that's going to require a lot less maintenance and work on your end as a landlord. But you have options to avoid having to pay that very large tax bill right now. So whatever you're thinking about selling a property, you want to make sure that you have a great team around you. You need a great agent and you need a great accountant, making sure that you are ready for whatever it is you decide to do.